Hello friends, today we'll learn about rainy season. Rainy season comes after the summer season. In this period, the sky is full of cloud. It begins in June and goes on till September. So let's see what fun things we do during rainy season. So it's time for fun and jump in muddy puddle, wear our cute gum boots and carry our colorful umbrella. Things we see during rainy season. We see clouds, thunderstorm, rainbow, rain and a muddy puddle. Now let's learn about the creatures we see during rainy season. We see snakes, frogs, snail, earthworm. So friends, if you like our video, then please do like, share and subscribe.